Greetings all. Today I'm going to be speaking with you about this beautiful Crassula falcata which is flowering on my patio. Let me show it to you. It started flowering about a month ago and it looked like tight balls of broccoli. It was green in color, and then slowly, bit by bit, these vermilion scarlet red flowers began opening. It's tiny little florets, lots and lots of them on beautiful big bunches. And they do attract insect pollinators as well. It's often referred to as the aeroplane or the propeller plant because of these sickle-shaped, fleshy, thick leaves that are kind of flattened, that come out and grow in this very flattened shape. Grows at about 60 centimeters tall, and of course it's very good for succulent gardens and rockeries. You would plant it in a very sandy soil and water it only lightly in summer, but not in the winter months. It originates from the Cape of Good Hope. Here in Gauteng, where I'm growing it, it'll only get a bit of rain here out on the patio in the summer, but not in the winter months. It can have a second flush of flowers, and it's just absolutely beautiful and low care, low maintenance. You can cut off the flowers once it's finished flowering, and if you want to have it bush out a little bit more, then you can also cut off either the flower stems when they're finished flowering, or if you want to cut the branch off and have it branch off a little bit more at the bottom, you can do this. I bought this plant when I was in Greyton at one of the markets, and a friend of mine, Bella, bought one there too. So hers is now flowering in the Cape while mine is flowering up here in Gauteng. We have 30 degrees. It's the 6th of March 2024. Absolutely stunning weather. And I couldn't not share the beauty of this absolutely magnificently beautiful, look at the size of this flower plant, and certainly something to add to your garden if you enjoy succulents. Much love. Bye from me for now. Take care. Bye.